Have you heard the story about the boy who finds out he is a wizard after a mysterious man shows up to not only tell him the news, but that he is to attend a prestigious school for witchcraft and wizardry? Also, he's the chosen one. Wait, nope, I'm sorry. Wrong story. The Boy Who Lived is a tale for another time. Clarion is the story of the worst chosen one who's ever been chosen. How did a fantasy character find his own book after being part of the New York Times bestseller Fangirl? Well, the spin-off began after Fangirl was published because Rainbow Rowell could practically feel Simon trying to climb out of its pages, so Clarion was written. The Chosen One, Simon Snow, is unlike any fantasy hero. He's absolutely terrible at magic and blows a lot of things up when casting their spoken word spells. It is no surprise, being that he lived as a normal most of his life. With the start of Simon's last year at Watford School, odd things are taking place. For one, his roommate and nemesis, the strikingly handsome Tyrannus Basilton Pitch, Baz for short, is missing. And the lack of attacks by the humdrum is eerie. The world of mages, Simon, his friends, and possibly you, are trying to solve the mystery of who or what the humdrum is before it is the end of magic as they know it. Will the unlikely trio, Simon, Baz, and Penelope, be able to also solve the former headmaster's murder before they become victims too? This surprisingly beautiful and magical love story will keep you turning the pages with battles with vampires and a dragon, giving the reader major Harry Potter vibes. Clarion is a young adult fantasy novel that has a powerful voice for the LGBTQIA community and is multiculturally inclusive. So go on then, carry on to Wayward Son, the second installment to this awesome series.